Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up sales tax in QuickBooks. It's going to make it so it automatically calculates your sales tax for you. So open the app up. Okay. Then you want to go to menu, go to Inuit account and settings, go to setup tax, press add tax rate, and it's gonna need your company info, right? So just put down whatever. Just put down just put down whatever. Press. I'm gonna just put some. Bro, just put down some. Oh my god. New York City and Ontario. Yeah, just put down some crazy stuff. I'm gonna just put down some crazy stuff, but you actually put down your company address and stuff, and then you're gonna have to put in your account number, your Canada Revenue Agency account number. Put down all this information. Yeah, and then that's it. Alright, it's gonna make you. It's probably not working for me because I put down some random stuff, but for you it's gonna work. So yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.